Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ranjini. Today's look is something interesting and challenging for me. I've tried to recreate our diva Deepika Padukone's Canne look. She put us all in awe with that half-white puffed up sleeve and that huge bow custom made by Peter Dindas. I've tried to recreate it today. Hope you love this tutorial. I'm priming my face with Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer and I'm applying it all over my face and I'm blending it in. This primer is something that instantly blurs the fine lines, pores and gives you the porcelain-like texture to your face. I have never stopped buying this. This is one of my most favorite primer of all time. For my face, I have taken this Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation in the shade Pecan. Applying it using the beauty blender. Just keep a dot all over your face and blend it with a blender or brush, whatever you have it in your hand. The more you blend, the more flawless the skin looks. It's up to you. You can blend it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I have taken this iconic London brow cushion for my eyebrows. If you see the picture, she's having a warm brown brows. I used to do dark brows usually, but she's having the warm brown brows, so I tried to do it lighter and I picked this medium shade from this palette. Her eyebrows are always something unique, so I tried to avoid giving the usual shape. To conceal and highlight, I have taken the Sephora Make No Mistake concealer in the shade Vannila Bean and I'm concealing my under eye. There is also a lot of highlighting going through in her picture, so I tried highlighting highest point of my face. Well, it's actually Deepika's third year attending the festival as the L'Oreal Paris Global Ambassador, so it's no surprise she kept things interesting on the beauty front. I'm almost done with blending. Now I'm gonna set my under eye with a setting powder. I've taken Laura Mercier setting powder. Just take a very little amount of powder and set it in the lid in the under eye area. This is one such finely milled powder that doesn't add any extra weight and it blends in your skin effortlessly to set the makeup. There is definitely a contour situation going around, so I have taken today a NYX Wonderstick in the shade Deep and I'm contouring under my cheekbone, under the jawline and around the forehead, and I'm also giving a shape to my nose to make it look a little bit smaller. Make that fish face or smile a little bit to identify the hollow space to contour under your cheekbone. Don't come all the way down, just stop in the midway of the eye. Now I'm blending it with a damp sponge. Just push the product towards your hairline. I'm cutting my jaw with the setting powder to give that extra dimension. I always feel this step makes a huge difference, so I'm trying it today. I'm gonna tightline my waterline using Maybelline Long Lasting Drama Eye Pencil. Take it slow, you might poke your eyes, so be careful while doing it, guys. Except the dark cold eye, I don't see any other eye makeup going on. It's just a little warmth around the eye. So I have taken the Smashbox Create and Transform palette and I have taken the nude shade and I'm blending it in the crease. You can just use your bronzer too. Oh, there we come. I was really very excited to try this inverted cat eye look. Oh my god, I have to tell this. That high-rise sleek ponytail and this eye look, she just smashed it. For this killer look, I have taken Wet n Wild Felt Line Pro Tip eyeliner to draw the outline. Do try this, it's not of a big deal. Just take a Q-tip dipped in a makeup remover and keep it by your hand so that if you messed up or something, you can just clean it up. To make this look more intense and bold, I have taken this Wet n Wild H2O Proof liquid eyeliner to fill in. You can always use this technique to do a regular wing too. Just draw the outline and finally fill with a liner. Now I'm carefully and slowly blending the powder I used to cut the jawline. See, that made a huge difference, right? It gave such a beautiful shape. I can see a ton of mascara and a natural falsies in the picture. So I have taken Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara and I'm giving a nice coat. I'm so in love with this mascara. It builds the massive volume to your lashes and it also has Pro Vitamin B5 to support natural lash thickness. It's nice, right? As everyone can see, she's having such a glow in her face and I have taken this Artist Couture highlighter to give that glow. I'm highlighting highest point of my face, like bridge of the nose and the highest point of the cheekbone. You can add some to your forehead too to give that focus while taking the photographs. To add the natural flush of color to the cheeks, I have taken the Alamar blush palette. It has 3 beautiful colors and I have taken the shade Paraiso. I can see an ombre lip in the picture, so I have taken this NYX lip liner in the shade Wine Red and I'm lining my lips. To fill my lips, I have taken this NYX Powder Puff Lippie in the shade Coral. I guess this creates that berry flesh ombre lips. I'm finishing off this look with a nice spritz of setting spray and I have fixed the falsies off camera. I couldn't match her hazel eyes since I'm having a pollen allergy. I tied my hair all the way up and I attached an extension, of course with a lot of setting spray and gel. I tried to match her earring, not exactly but close to. This is the final look, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please like, share with your friends and take a moment to subscribe. I'll meet you on Thursday with a brand new tutorial. Until then, bye. Thanks for watching.